Hi learners, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorials I will explain about the sketching guidelines. This is the very important for the who use the SolidWorks software. So listen carefully. First, these rules in this: keep your sketch simple, and simple sketch are easier to edit and the less likely to develop errors and help within the downstream features such as the configuration. Second, you will apply the rules. Make use of the origin your first sketch. Try to first when you is creating a sketch, try to create a sketch using the reference of origins. Third, the first sketch of a new part should be represent the main profile of the parts. In the sense of when you creating any parts, the first sketch will be the parent's sketch. Fourth, I will explain all the points in a SolidWorks. First you will see fourth point: create a sketch geometry first and then add the geometry relationship. In the sense of geometry relationship like a coincident, linear, symmetric, these types of relation will you apply after when you creating a sketch, and then add your dimension. Then after when you apply the like relationship, then you will apply the dimension. And the dimension can be something interferes with the addition of a required relationship, because when you not apply the dimension, it's not defined your sketch, so you need to take a dimension. Use geometric relationship whether possible to maintain design intent. Design intent in the sense of you will apply the like your line will be like vertical, your sign will be verticals, then otherwise your line will be like in this line, otherwise angles. This way, in the sense of like engineering, you will apply this way. And then use geometric relationship whether the possible to maintain design intent. Apply all the relationships like a concentric, similars, symmetric, coincident, parallel, verticals, perpendiculars. This way 12 constant will be applied. It's possible. Draw the sketch of the approximately the right scale to prevent errors or geometry overlap when you start adding dimension. Try to understand left to like right. Then add and edit dimension on the closest and smallest geometry first, then work your way to the order and largely geometry to prevent geometry overlap. This way you will, if suppose that you will take a origin here, then you will create this line first, second, third and fourth, and then take the relationship, and then after that when your relationship will complete it, then apply the dimensions, geometric dimension. Use the relations in the sense of apply verticals lines, horizontals lines, this type of relation, equation and global variables to reduce the number of the independent dimension needed. And take advantage of the symmetry. If you apply like if you want to create this object, then your center line will be here, and then all the geometry will be mirrored to here. I will explain all the things. So used to apply on the mirror if mirror will be possible, and dynamic mirror also will be applied. A sketch mirror to sketch the elements and add symmetrical relations. And then 10th we have be flexible in the sense of your easiest way to try to sketch your geometry. It may be necessary to change the order in which you are adding the dimension and relations. Drag the sketch geometry closer to required location before adding dimension. If you need something editing, then you will apply easily to edit your dimension. It's not a complicated way to designs. And then 11th we have fix error as they occurs. Use sketch spot check the sketch for the feature which can quickly help you identify the problem and correct them. It's 11 step, then you will easily complete your sketch in a SolidWorks. So let's see. First take a plane and then first draw a center line. This is the reference lines, and then you try to here first second point I will explain. Make user of the origin in your first sketch this way, and then relationship will be applied by default. Okay. Then if you want to like create this line here, if you want to vertical, click and then apply the relationships. Otherwise here the relationship will apply in the verticals. So vertical will be here. This is the relationships. Okay. And add relationship in the sense of if you want to like creating here line, and then if you want to add the relation, control select this line and then select the other lines and then apply this, add the relation. If you want to like line is perpendicular, collinear, it's not equal. Okay, so this way you will apply like control Z and like a vertical. So first select first line and select second line and then apply the vertical this way. If you want to meet this line, first point, second point and then apply the add merge. Okay. This way you will add this dimension. Okay. Then use the geometry relation after that. If your geometry will be completed, then you will apply the like dimension this way. Okay. And like add the dimension closest and then try to like this way you will dimension will be applied. If you want to like appropriate, like if you want to like this dimension will change, no tolerance, then apply none. It's the easily to identify your problems. If you want to like add this dimension, so first click first point then second point this way. If you want to cross this line here, if you want to this point and this point merge, and then you will easily this way you will define. Okay. Here change this dimension. It's not take here and here. First point and then first point then second point. First point then second point. Then this way you will apply here. If you want to mirror this, if you want to mirror this all the geometry, select control press then select. Okay. And then go to mirror entities and mirror, then select this point like here. It's not a selecting, so select first. share completely. Supply mirror here. Delete this one. This way. Then apply mirror. First you will select individually, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth, and then go to add mirror here, then this way. So this is the easiest way to your design will be copy. Okay, and then it is the flexible. If you want to change these lines like 68, your dimension will be easily changed. If you want to change just 130, it's easily changed here. So this way you will design like 80, will change easily. So both sides are 35, both side dimension will be changes. So you will apply in a company. Yes, when you creating a sketch, try to this way your design will be easily, and when you want to edit, then easily edit. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.